way to get 3 loads of road base. Been raining a lot. It'll be interesting if we'll even be able to put it where the customer wants it. Well, I'm in line to get loaded. You can quite see over there or not. Problem, boss man's sitting over here too. Kind of frown on being filmed, so I'm not going to be able to get this loading. We should be able to load it up next time though. Well, that went a lot better than I was expecting. Usually when I go off into the mud, that's the end of it. It's stuck immediately. He had already started up his truck. Start warming it up just in case it did get stuck. But anyhow, we got that load back in there, or spread backing in there over the mud. Next load we'll drive in forward and pop that tailgate right there as we're coming off his driveway. And then we got a third one. I'm not sure how we're gonna run it yet. Whether we're gonna go to the back, pull it forward, or go straight back there and pop tailgate halfway back. Anyhow, we're on our way to go get the second load. That didn't go too bad. Well, I got word on that one. Found a little bit of mud back there. We got out of there. Of course, you see me pull forward. Going after a third load of road base. And now he asked for a fourth load. That one being asphalt. That one will go up front. We're on our way to go get load number 3. Well, we're back in. Load number 3. Sitting in line. Looking at them tires, we almost got stuck on that last load. We'll see if we can do a little better this time. But maybe for a long day, ended up getting 4 loads instead of 3 loads. Laying in the mud, getting stuck. But man's happy. Put all the material where he wanted it. He even drove back and forth on some of it to pack it in at the end of the driveway. My day is done. I'm going home. Thanks for watching.